Welcome to Hello Experts, where we are about to dive into a topic that literally keeps things moving: bulldozer tire punctures. Buckle up as we uncover the ins and outs of these heavy duty tire mishaps. If you're ready for some heavy machinery wisdom, you are in the right place. We will be discussing what a bulldozer is, how it helps us, how it's tire punctures, and how to repair or change the tire of a bulldozer. A bulldozer is a heavy-duty construction machine that is used to move large amounts of earth, debris, or other materials. It is equipped with a large flatbed at the front that is used to push and move materials. Bulldozers are commonly used in construction, mining, and other heavy-duty industries. Bulldozers are essential machines in the construction and mining industries. They help us move large amounts of earth, debris, or other materials quickly and efficiently. Bulldozers are also used to clear land, build roads, and prepare sites for construction. In the realm of heavy machinery like bulldozers, the tires play a crucial role in ensuring optimal performance and safety. The rule of thumb for bulldozer tires involves a careful balance of factors to withstand the rugged terrains they navigate. These tires are designed to endure immense pressure and loads, considering the heavyweight nature of the bulldozers and the challenging environments they operate in. Bulldozer tires undergo a meticulous manufacturing process crafted from multiple layers of rubber and fabric intricately bonded to yield robust and durable structures. The tread patterns of these tires are meticulously designed to optimize traction and stability across diverse terrains. Tailored to the specific project requirements, bulldozer tires vary, with crawler bulldozers utilizing tracks and wheel-type counterparts relying on tires that efficiently distribute weight to the four corners of each wheel, operating on a smaller axis. The tire production involves a series of steps encompassing rubber mixing, car cast building, tread pattern application, and the curing process within a press. Engineered to endure hefty loads and navigate challenging terrains, bulldozer tires undergo rigorous testing to ensure compliance with the stringent safety and performance standards. Bulldozer tires can puncture due to various reasons, such as sharp objects on the ground, overloading, or wear and tear. A punctured tire can cause the bulldozer to lose balance and stability, making it unsafe to operate. Repairing or changing a bulldozer tire is not an easy task and requires proper training and equipment. It is important to follow all safety guidelines and procedures when repairing or changing a bulldozer tire. The mechanism to change or repair a punctured tire of a bulldozer involves these steps. Stop the bulldozer immediately and turn off the engine. Assess the damage to the tire and determine if it can be repaired or needs to be replaced. If the tire can be repaired, safely remove the affected wheel from the bulldozer and take it to a repair shop. If the tire needs to be replaced, safely remove the affected wheel from the bulldozer and shop for a replacement. Install the repaired replacement tire on the bulldozer and perform a post-repair replacement inspection to ensure that the bulldozer is in good working condition. Here are some interesting facts to consider when changing a bulldozer tire. The treaded tires of bulldozer enhance friction force on roads, ensuring a superior grip with the ground. Bulldozer tires can be remarkably pricey, with each tire potentially costing up to $30,000, surpassing the cost of most car tires. Repairing or replacing a bulldozer tire is a task best left to the trained professionals due to the associated dangers. The tire changing process involves several steps, including safely removing the affected wheel, seeking professional repair or replacement, and installing the fixed or new tire onto the bulldozer. Changing a bulldozer tire's duration can extend over hours, contingent on the tire's size and complexity. Selecting the appropriate tire size involves careful consideration of the bulldozer's specific requirements encompassing terrain, job demands, and load capacity. Bulldozer tires are diversified to meet distinct construction project needs, with crawler bulldozers using tracks and wheel-type counterparts relying on tires that distribute weight to each wheel's four corners on a smaller axis. Optimal tire patterns selection enhances bulldozer performance and usability, allowing for the maximum utilization before the tire replacement. That's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.